Hello everyone, my name is Miss Bini in America. For those of you that are just joining us for the first time, and for my returning subscribers, thank you all for joining us. This guy right here is Dominion. What's your name?
Me?
Yeah, what's your name?
Oh, wash your hands.
Okay, you already washed your hands. So his name is Dominion, and he wants to cook. So he's so excited, guys. Just you're gonna hear a lot of this. Okay,
Mama.
So join us to cook. He's gonna make his first noodles, but we do this all the time. And anytime I want to cook, I notice that he like to be with me. He like to stay right here. Oh my god, we're gonna change that one. So now we're gonna make noodles, and I'm going to let him make noodles for himself. So the first impression is this: he just wash his hand in that water, as you can see. So we're gonna change the water. I mean, no, that's not how I cook, right? You don't do that. No. So we're gonna change the water. No, you can't do that. Okay, what is this? So what do we have here? Let's show them what we have. Okay. So we have 3 ingredients.
Yes, I'm in the kitchen.
Okay, you are in the kitchen now. So we have 3 ingredients, guys. We have 1 egg, half onion. Okay, onion. So what is this?
Noodles.
Okay, we have noodles. All right. So and
Egg.
okay, egg. Okay.
Yeah.
Be patient. So we're gonna. So now we're gonna turn this on. So the heat is on. The minute is after the egg, guys. Okay, let me take the egg back. I think that is kind of causing obstacle right now. Yeah, wait. So now, what you would do first, you have to wear this. All right? I mean, not the water first. Babe, okay, pour the water. Boy, they are not seeing you. Hi. In the kitchen, I know. Okay, let me relax.
Yes. One and this one.
Okay.
This one and this one.
Okay, that's what you're doing.
And
So he's ready, and the water is it's hot now. Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. You don't eat the onion. Alright? Take. So now you're gonna open the noodles. Look, it's open. You put it inside. You have this, you put this aside. So put that inside the water. Good boy. So I help you. The next thing you do. Yeah, good boy. So
That's onion.
yeah, don't do this next time. Don't do this by yourself, okay?
I just only want onions.
Oh yeah, just onion, mommy.
Wait.
Oh, okay. Now we're going to cover it up
Egg.
to boil.
Mama.
It's not egg yet. Don't worry.
No.
Oh god. So not egg yet. We'll put egg later, okay? Alright, let's put the egg later. Alright, wait now. It's mommy's turn. It's mommy's turn. You want to film us? So now it's your turn to stir, but it's kind of hot. Guys, in case this one is not hot because I'm cooking with that one, so this one is not hot. That's I put it here. Oh, yeah, stir it now, baby. Stir it before you crack the egg. You want to crack the egg now? Yeah. They help you. Here. Good boy. You did it. Stir it. You like it? He's so excited, guys. Good boy.
Look.
Yeah, what are you doing? You cooking noodles? Are you cooking noodles? Is it yummy? Oh, it's so much fun. Look at mommy.
Mix.
Oh, okay, you are missing it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Add the tape.
Okay. Just go ahead and do it.
The tape.
Yeah.
Also.
Mhm. Yes. Good boy. My little chef. My little chef. So you finished cooking your first noodles as a 3-year-old?
Yes.
Oh, you are still stirring it. I'm sorry.
Done. Wait.
Okay. Is it tasty? Have you checked it? Oh god.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Noodles.
Noodles, you done? You done with cooking? Finish your cooking?
Yes, some.
Yeah.
Just.
Oh, it's chest. Oh, it's yummy, tasty. Good boy. I can't wait to try this too. Yeah, take your food. My boy, my 3-year-old boy just finished his first assignment. Minion, hold it like this. Yeah? Are you enjoying it? Is it tasty? You like it? Where's your drink? Yeah, it kind of go with your little chef cup. I don't know if they call it cup, whichever one. I'm so happy for you, baby. You cook your first meal. Yeah. Is it tasty? We're done cooking, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Yeah, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you know? Give me a high five. High five.
Dominion.
Oh, it's Dominion. Yeah, I know. Okay, Dominion, give mommy a high five. Good boy.